Hi, Mungai Kihara here. Welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Syokimau, exactly 3 kilometers from Mombasa Road. Behind me is a 4-bedroom, all ensuite with a double servant quarter. The print area is 205 square meters, which translates to 2,206 square feet. The price of this maisonette is 18 million, and before we hop in, I have to show you a few things. This maisonette is built on an 8-acre lot of land, and as you can see, the maisonette is surrounded by a perimeter wall and a laser wire. You also have your electric bell here at the entrance. Let's just hop in. Inside the compound, you have a 4-car parking area. And next to it, you have a small lawn. And this is not the only lawn that you have in this compound. The lawn extends to the other side of the house, next to the kitchen, and you have a kitchen garden on the other side. I'll show you that. Let's get into the house and have a look. Before we get in, the main entrance is a double door. This will help you get your things in with ease. Wow! This is a big living room, and the amount of light in this living room is just way more than you need. If you look very well, you'll see that you have these 3 big windows that bring a lot of light during the day. During the night, you have this center light, and you have these side lights, that one, and that one. On my left hand side, you have the dining area, and it's really big. This dining area is big enough for a family of 10 to 12 people. The dining area is so big you can even fit 2 dining tables here. During the day, you are getting your light from these 2 windows, this one and this one. And during the night, you are getting your light from this light. Next to me, you have a wash basin, and it comes with a small mirror. You also have this area where it is easy for you to get the food from the kitchen to the dining area. This dining area also comes with this small cabinet to store your cutlery. Let's get into the kitchen. Beautiful. This is a modern kitchen. From here, I can see that you have your upward and downward cabinets. In addition to that, you have several drawers. Next to me, you have a section for your fridge. And next to that, you have extra cabinets. Next to that, you have an area here for your cooking stove. This kitchen also comes with a double sink and with a tilting faucet. You also have extra cabinets here for your extra storage. This door leads to the kitchen garden, the laundry area, and the servants' quarter. Let's have a look. This is the kitchen balcony, and next to it, you have the laundry area. Next to this laundry area, you have the kitchen garden, and beneath it, you have the biodigester. This is the servants' quarter area. Let's have a look at the servant quarters. Before we get into the servants' quarters, we have the shared bathroom and the shared washroom. In this bathroom, you have a towel holder, a soap holder, a rinse tap, and a shower. In the washroom, you have a water closet and a tissue holder. There are 2 servants' quarters here, this one and this one. Let's have a look at this one. The other one is just similar. This is one of the servant quarters, and it's big enough. As you can see, it comes with an open closet, and in here your employees will enjoy. You also have a few drawers for other things. The servant quarter also comes with a dressing mirror. Let's get back to the main house. From the servant quarter to the main house, through the kitchen, to the living room area, and to the first guest bedroom. Let's do this. On my left hand side, you have the guest room and the common washroom. Let's have a look. This is a big guest room and there is a lot of light. You are getting your light from these two windows, this one and this one. On my right hand side, you have the guest room closet. And it's big enough for your guests. This closet comes with a dressing mirror and several drawers. This closet, it's big enough. Behind me here, you have the guest bathroom. Let's have a look. In this bathroom, you have a toothbrush holder, a sink, a towel holder, a water closet, a small mirror, and a shaving light. On the other side, you have a shower cubicle. In the shower cubicle, you have a towel holder, a rinse tap, and a shower. You also have a soap holder. Let's have a look at the common washroom. Before you get into the common washroom, you have a sink here and a small mirror. In the common washroom, you have a water closet and a small light. This maisonette have two levels. In the lower level, we have the living area, the dining area, the kitchen, and the guest room. In the upper level, we have the master bedroom and the other two bedrooms. Let's have a look at the upper level. In this level, we have the three bedrooms. On the far left, we have the master bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. On my right hand side, you have the first bedroom. Let's start with this bedroom. This is the first bedroom, and it also comes with these two big windows. During the night, you are getting your light from this center light. Next to me, you have the bedroom closet. And it's big enough for your needs. The closet also has a dressing area and a dressing mirror. Behind me, you have the bedroom bathroom. Let's have a look. This is a big bathroom, and in here you have a water closet, a tissue holder, a toothbrush holder, a sink, a towel holder, a small mirror, and a shaving light. On the other side, you have the shower cubicle. In the shower cubicle, you have a towel holder, a soap holder, a rinse tap, and a shower. Let's have a look at the second bedroom. From the first bedroom to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and the difference between this bedroom and the bedroom that we just left is that this bedroom has one window. This bedroom also has a big bathroom that comes with a bathtub. The bedroom also comes with a big closet. This closet also comes with a dressing area and a big mirror. Let's have a look at the bathroom. This bathroom is way bigger than the other bathrooms, and it comes with a sink, a toothbrush holder, a towel holder, a small mirror, a shaving light, another towel holder, and a bathtub. The bathroom also comes with a shower cubicle and a water closet. Also, we have a tissue holder. In the shower cubicle, you have a shower, a rinse tap, a soap holder, and another towel holder. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. From the second bedroom to the master bedroom. This is the biggest master bedroom you have seen in the channel. And the closet is from another world. Let me just walk along the closet and you'll see how big it is. On one side you have his closet, and on the other side you have her closet. At the center you have the dressing area that comes with several drawers and a dressing mirror. During the day, you are getting your light from these two windows, this one and this one. You also get more light from this transparent door. During the night, you get your light from this center light. On my left hand side, you have two doors. One leads to the master balcony and the other one leads to the master bathroom. Let's have a look at the master balcony. This is the master balcony, and the views are heavenly. Just have a look. Very, very beautiful. Let's get back inside. Next to me, you have the master bathroom. Let's have a look. In here, you have a toothbrush holder, a sink, a small mirror, a shaving light, a towel holder, and a bathtub. We also have a shower cubicle. In the shower cubicle, we have a towel holder, a rinse tap, a soap holder, and a shower. This bathroom also comes with a water closet. That's all about this maisonette. If you would like to purchase it, please feel free to call us. Also, I'll leave everything else in the description below. And if you have not followed us on Facebook and Instagram, please do. That's all for today. See you in the next video.